Hey guys, it's Rachel again with the second video of what I told you guys earlier today, that I would go on and see if Ambitions, which is the next game in the lineup of when it was produced for me, because I don't have every expansion packet. So it's the next one for me. You want the full list, go to my first video, or XX Fandom 3/8 video. Another videos to check out is Cory Sims, StorySinmer, Mega Metro 288, Jesseca Stewart. They're probably going to be a suggestion. I recommend that. But what am I going to be doing in this video is I'm actually going to combine my video that I made with their video, because I feel like what they have already done, I'm just continuing on, for all those who are using Origin, to fix this problem completely, so you know what to do, so you don't have to keep on watching my video or going back and forth between videos. So I'm just going to combine everything. Major shout out to those YouTubers who brought this issue into light and have fixed the issue on that end. But with my end, with the base game not having the message error, my video really works for that. Alright, so getting started, I'm currently downloading Late Night. As you can see, I'm doing this and I've already put in my code, so going really fast so that my code stays safe. Oh yeah, sorry, click on this. XX Fandom recommended that you click on Macintosh. When I first downloaded it from Origin, I actually told it to go into the Macintosh Applications Sims 3 folder, so do that too. And it's going to give you this. XX Fandom said don't worry about it, and you don't really have to. You will just have to make sure that you're updated. I'm going to put in my passcode, which is what you do. I'm going to wait for it to load here. Hopefully it won't take too long. I think YouTube only lets you do 5-minute videos. Okay. It usually doesn't take that long, so if we can just be patient. It's actually going really fast right now. Let it do its thing. As you know, it's always funny to me, this is never really right, because it's like almost at 685 and it's down here when it should be over here. So it speeds up. My Mac is really new, so it's pretty fast. It doesn't have a lot of stuff on it. And it's complete before the numbers. Awesome. So, as other YouTubers have said, there's something going on with Ambitions and Late Night, and I said in my first video, and it was very true. I didn't think it would happen because of the advice I got from the EA tech support from Origin. Raul really helped me. You might get a different person if you go through that route. I'm doing this on a Sunday, so it's 24 hours. It was a live chat. I just told them the system I had, said what problems, close. Okay, so I'm not expecting, oops, not that one. Sorry, I meant to put on Origin. So I'm not expecting this to actually work, because it doesn't. So mine does this. In my first video I told you that. Don't worry about it if you've gotten rid of all the trans gaming sims, all the other folders I told you to get rid of. If you want a refresher, and okay, so very common. Okay, all right, so it's gonna pop back up like it loves me, but it doesn't. So this is where I'm gonna go into what the other YouTubers. I'm gonna do what my video says first, and then I'm gonna do what the other YouTubers have said. So I'm holding down Alt Option, which is by the Command key. I'm going into my library, and I'm gonna go into Preferences. Then I've already scrolled down quite a bit. So the last time I said don't delete, I didn't want to delete this one. I'm going to, but I'm just going to show you all the files to delete. There's usually a cider preferences. Get rid of that. It's not there. But if it is, do that, and also an eye patch, anything, and then any com.transgaming sims. When I first tried this, I had like 4 of them, so I'm going to move this to my trash. I'm also going to move the Sims 3 preferences. Oops. Trash. And then I'm going to, oh, it didn't. I guess it just, okay. Oh, it didn't. Okay, so that's fine. Trash. I used to be a PC person, so I'm still learning how to do a Mac. So I'm going to go back in here, make sure it's all gone. I kind of know what I'm looking for, so sorry if I'm going too fast, but definitely you're just looking for com.transgaming sims, ending anything in skims. I only have Skype, and as you can see, and everything else. I probably could remove those too, but since I'm done with that, now I'm going to go to Finder. I'm going to go Applications, and then I'm going to go to The Sims 3. Now this is the combination of the other video. So you're going to go, make sure you right click or you use your contents, resources, and then you're going to go into add-ons, and this is where you have all your add-ons. So as you can see, I have ambitions. I've already fixed that one, so I'm going to do late night. So show package contents, resources, and this is where you go all the way down to transgaming, C drive, program files, electric arts, and this folder, they say to copy it, and then you go back to the original game. So they say go back to applications, which is just the easier route. You could click backwards all the way. So you want to go to this Sims 3, show package contents, resources. I go into transgaming, C drive, program files, electronic arts. See how it's not there? This is where I didn't really see, or maybe I wasn't paying attention and I was, I don't know, but you have to get late night in here as well. So they say do it to all the other ones. This is true. So I know ambitions and world adventures are in the other ones. So now I'm going to go to the other ones. And this is where Mega Mitro's video is very helpful in that he'll say the same thing. So even though I have World Adventures down here, I'm not going to go to that one because it's not going to say show packages. So I'm going to go to contents, resources, add-on, since I've already added to the original Sims game. I'm going to go to ambitions and I'm going to show packages, contents, resources, not transgaming, sorry. C drive, program files, electronic arts, and you see late night is not there. So you paste late night in there. I'm just a creature of habit, so I like to go backwards. So let's do it the way that they show it. So contents, resources, add-ons. Now I'm going to add it to my world adventures. You know how I had the other world adventures in the other folder. Don't worry about it. It's, I don't know why it's there, but for all those nerd friends, you probably know. So now, since I'm in this, I'm going to go to its World of Adventure Transgaming, Program Files, Electronic Arts, and see, late night's not here. So, ambitions and, see if I can, no, I can't. So, ambitions, late night World Adventures are in this this folder for World Adventures, right? So I'm actually going to copy World Adventures, and I'm actually going to go in to late night and make sure that World Adventures is in there. So sub packages, contents, resources, add-ons, late night, double click, contents, resources, transgaming, C drive, program files, electronic arts, and you see, if I ran the game right now, it would still give me the error message. So it's really important that I go back and get all those folders from each game. I'm even going to put Sims 3 in there as well. So I'm doing late night. So ambitions, I already just did World Adventures. I kind of forgot what I was doing here. Which one I'm doing. Trans Gaming, C Drive, Program Files, Electronic Arts, and okay, maybe I missed a step. Just gonna go back. Sims 3. Show packages, contents, resources, trans gaming, C drive, program files, electronic arts. Okay, so they're all there in the original game. So I'm just gonna check each game. Sorry if this is really annoying. But I want to make sure that everything's happy. So I'm going to go into World Adventures, show packages, contents, resources. You probably know what I did. Knew what kept up with the thing. Okay, here we are. Alright, so all here. Oh, I think I was going to do Sims 3. That was the thing. Okay, so if I go to late night, I think it was late night add-ons, ambitions, show package contents, resources, trans gaming, C drive, program files, electro files. Okay, so they're all there. So then I think I was doing late night. That's probably was the one that I was making sure had all its things. But it's good to make sure. Okay, late night, show package contents, resources, trans gaming, C drive, program files. Okay, alright, so now I've remembered what I'm doing. So I'm going back. What was I? Select the back button because okay, so I've rolled adventures, so I need ambitions. So ambitions, gotta remind myself that. So I gotta go back to the Sims 3 contents, resources, add-ons, Sims 3 ambition, show packages, contents, resources, trans gaming, C drive, program files, electronic arts, and I'm gonna, since I need Sims 3 in there too, if you saw it, I'm just gonna now copy these two items. Since I don't want to recopy the folder for late night into the same folder, I did the World Adventures separately. Contents, resources, add-ons. So I'm doing late night, making sure all the packages are there. Resources, trans gaming, C drive. Okay, program files, electronic arts, and then I'm going to paste the two items there. Great. So I think this is where my game still won't work. So I actually want to show that it might work. And again, this is just what happens to me, to my game. I don't know why. So I'm playing it, see if it still does it or not. It might go. Okay, great. So this is where my video is compiled of what I learned from my first video from the guy from the EA Tech. So this is combining everything I've learned thus far with the EA Tech and my last video to show you what to do. So if you need any references, go to my first video to show you what to do with getting rid of the corrupt encrypted files, as he called them, and then you're gonna do what the other sim videos have done with this error message about copying these files and making sure they're in each and every single one of them. And I'm just gonna check game updates. Okay, and I'm gonna just see if this actually, okay, so this is working. So I'm gonna, this is gonna be a very long video. So Sorry if it's very loud. So I'm just gonna let it run here because there's no clicking for it to. So it looks like my Sims late night is going to work. This is going to take a long time, I think, but hopefully not. But it might, because as one simmer said, that it takes a long time when you do all the files into one file. That's actually really quick. Okay. Come on. I hate when it gets right here. Okay. Alright. So, I'm gonna try to quit this game since I know it's working. It's trying to connect. Okay. Yes. As you can see, it works even with the error message. Hopefully this video helps. I'm glad I got to make this video so that you can see it compiled all together. Alright, like, subscribe for further information, look at other videos if this doesn't help, maybe ask me a question. A good resource really is actually going straight to EA, Origin, tech support, because they're the experts. I'm just showing you what I've learned. Alright, peace.